Imagine sitting in heavy stop-and-go traffic on a scorching hot summer afternoon, and you suddenly notice your temperature gauge creeping dangerously close to the red zone while your check engine light glares at you. If you manage to pull over safely and pull a P0695 trouble code, your powertrain control module is warning you about a low voltage issue in the control circuit for cooling fan relay number 3. Your engine relies entirely on electric cooling fans to pull fresh air through the radiator when you are not driving fast enough to get natural airflow. The main computer monitors your engine coolant temperature sensor, and when things get too hot, it sends a ground signal to a heavy-duty relay, which clicks over and sends battery voltage straight to the fan motors. Normally, when the computer commands the fan to be off, it expects to see a high voltage reading on that signal circuit. This specific trouble code pops up when the computer expects the fan to be off, but it is actually seeing a super low voltage reading instead, indicating a serious electrical short. Because a dead cooling fan will absolutely lead to a warped cylinder head or a totally blown engine from overheating, you cannot ignore this one. The very first place you need to look is your under-hood fuse box. Pull the specific fuse for cooling fan number 3 and hold it up to the light. If that metal bridge inside is totally blown apart, you need to figure out why. If you pop a brand new fuse in and it instantly snaps the second you turn the key, you have a dead short to ground somewhere in the wiring harness between the fuse box and the relay, usually caused by a wire rubbing bare against the metal chassis. However, if the new fuse survives until the engine actually warms up and tries to turn the fan on, your cooling fan motor itself is likely the culprit. Make sure the engine and the key are completely off, and carefully try to spin the plastic fan blades with your hand. They should spin incredibly smoothly with almost no resistance. If the blades feel seized up, gritty, or completely frozen, that dead electric motor is pulling massive amounts of electrical current and blowing the circuit to protect your car. Replacing that burned-out fan assembly and slapping in a fresh relay will keep your engine running cool and save you from a massive overheating disaster.